Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for deep dives into the best products on the market. Today, we're featuring what we consider the best easy clean solution for pet owners and busy households. The Resolve Pet Expert Easy Clean Carpet Foam Spray Refill 2-piece set. This cleaning system isn't just another spray and wipe gimmick. It's part of a high-performance carpet care system that's specifically designed to handle heavy traffic zones and those messes your pets love to leave behind. This isn't just about surface cleaning, this is about real, deep-down clean. The set includes 2 refill cans of the Pet Expert Heavy Traffic Foam, a powerful solution engineered for carpets, rugs, and upholstery. It's compatible with Resolve's Easy Clean Pro gadget, a lightweight cleaning tool featuring an ergonomic handle for comfort and control. The foaming action lifts and locks in dirt, even from the toughest spots, making your carpet look like new again. The real magic is in the foam. Once you spray, it expands into your carpet fibers, loosening ground and dirt and breaking down odors at the source. All without harsh scrubbing or damaging your carpet. Whether you're tackling stair landings, hallways, or the dreaded area under the dog's bed, the Easy Clean system simplifies your routine. The refillable design also makes this product a more eco-friendly choice, reducing the need for buying full-sized containers every time. And just look at these results: dull, stained fibers transformed into fresh, vibrant carpet. No need for bulky machines or professional cleaners. For pet lovers, this solution is a game changer. You don't have to live with the lingering evidence of little accidents anymore. The Resolve Pet Expert formula is powerful enough for odors, gentle enough for daily use, and unscented, so no overpowering chemical smells. So if you're looking for an easy, effective way to restore your carpets and keep your home feeling fresh, the Resolve Pet Expert Easy Clean Foam Refill is a no-brainer. This 2-piece set is designed to keep your space clean, your pets happy, and your stress levels low. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another review. Until next time, keep your home clean and your choices smart.